Chestnuts roasting on an open fire, Jack Frost nipping at your nose, Yuletide carols being sung by a choir, and folks dressed up like Eskimos. Everybody knows a turkey and some mistletoe help to make the season bright. Tiny tots with their eyes all aglow will find it hard to sleep tonight. They know that Santa's on his way. He's loaded lots of toys and goodies on his sleigh, and every mother's child is gonna spy to see if reindeer really know how to fly. And so I'm offering this simple phrase to kids from 1 to 92. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas to you. Hey y'all, Kathryn here with Ukulele Wine Time. Thank you so much for listening and maybe playing along with my Cozy Christmas playlist. If you haven't already, you can check out the Cozy Christmas songbook with all of these Christmas songs, PDF charts, chord and lyrics, the whole thing. So check that out. I've linked that below. And thank you again to Dry Farm Wines for supplying these fantastic wines for my Christmas series videos. I'm drinking a Bordeaux Blanc. It is delicious, les amis. And I was checking out the bottle and I loved that it said this on the back: best wines are the ones you drink with friends. So amen to that. Cheers if you're sharing a glass of wine with me. And if you're curious about checking out natural wines, I've also linked that below. You can check out Dry Farm Wines. Once again, thank you so much for being here. If you are enjoying these videos, I hope you cheers the like button below and subscribe for more Ukulele Wine Time, and I hope to see you very soon. Happy holidays to you and your family, and cheers! Ukulele Wine Time.